are in Scott, Louisiana at the Lafayette KOA. It is January 22nd, 51 degrees outside. This park has over 100 sites. They've done the numbering weird, so I don't know exactly how many, but it's a nice little park. Older sections. The newer section in the back is where we're at, and it is really nice. As far as road noise, it's minimal. No shower houses back there. You'd have to come clear up to the front. And they're in good shape. They're heated. Nice laundry room.
It was 1 mile from our site to the front of the park, through a kind of winding road that we took.
I think they said that's a 10-acre lake, and they have paddle boats. There's a miniature golf course up here, 2 pools, game room. With the KOA discount of 10%, and I used points, it averaged about $55 a night. Coming back up towards the store. Nice playground, basketball court, lots of cabins. Oh, and there's 2 dog parks at least. 2 pools. Yep, and we'll check out all of the indoor activities they have. These cabins overlooking the lake here are very nice. Second pool, and we'll go in the back door here of the office. They do escort you to your site if you'd like.
Hello.
Our 2 children. Here starts the entryway back to the newer section that is all nicely paved, level, and much quieter. The road noise back here is not as bad. Anything else to add, honey?
Nope.
It was a good stay. And there's our site. Nice, big, easy to maneuver. Long enough that the Jeep fits in right behind it. Oh, and the Wi-Fi is excellent here. We were streaming on it last night. And they have cable also.
The rates in.